son no more.
Original bad boy sound tempo.
No more. They say when champion sound is playing, the sound boy stay away.
Yo, what about this mix? This the man that tell me no.
Not big respect every time to all tempo crew and all Canadian people, because the money, anyone who knows class hear me and see me, who just call me Martin Luther.
Some boy cry eternally. Cry on, some boy like a willow tree. Don't shed your tears continually, 'cause I will kill your tin pan sound. I need your son no more. No. No more. They say when champion sound is playing, dibby sound boy stay away. We do not love the sound. We throw away on timpan sound. Tempo is the sound.
Check. Rest in peace, Mr. Alton Ellis.
Tempo is the sound. Tempo is the sound. Hey. Tempo is the sound who will kill another sound. If you try that too. Hey. Tempo is the sound who will stay far. If you stay far too, yeah. I hear rumors about something from sound. Dibby song boy, I'm coming around, trying to test him, but tempo sound is gonna kill him dead. And tempo is the sound.
This the man that tell me nothing.
They say when tempo sound is playing, a sound boy cry eternally.
Yo, what about this mix? This the man tell me nothing.
Sound boy like a willow tree. Don't shed your tears continually, 'cause I will kill your tin pan sound. I need your son no more. No more. They say when champion sound is playing, dibby sound boy stay away. We do not love the sound. We throw away on timpan sound, 'cause this is the king of sound. We need no more timpan sound now. No more.
This the man that tell me nothing. mix this. The man that tell me nothing.
Them on the tempo immortal of the big bad sound. You don't know. Soldier stay put, man. Man called Kid Temper. You don't know everything is everything. Kick it. What your ears gonna hear, little son boy, you gonna see.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? The man that tell me nothing.
Now here comes Tempo Immortal sound. The man called Soji, Kid Tempo, Repo, and Redout. And Redout. And we have feature, no Mighty Diamonds, Koof.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. A Tempo Immortal, you know, a big song. Guide us, your man. Guide
Big
us, your
respect every
man.
time to our tempo crew and our Canadian people across the planet. Anyone wanna ask glad
And mercy on the sound boy. Jah help them. We praise your man. Mercy on the jumping sound. Jah help them. We praise your man. Sound was made to suffer, yeah, oh yeah. But don't get I go make them feel the pain. You might have no mercy on the sound boy. Jah help them. You might have no mercy on the jumping sound. Jah help them. Praise the Lord. How goes there? Now Tempo Immortal, man. Big sound. That was some sound boy I feel like. Soji, sure. Kid Tempo, Repo, Redout, Redout. Sure, you run things for years, man. How we have feature? No Mighty Diamonds. Tempo Immortal. Oh yeah. No. Tempo Immortal, prophesy, say, oh yeah. Somewhere I will find him back behind the walls, yeah. It a go be that, no immortal come. Like you want to charge you. No immortal play. What's up? You want to charge me hearts. No immortal play. You want to charge me immortal play. So whether up till the dawn.
For so long, Tempo. For so long, Tempo Immortal play. Soji and Repo, them a boss AK. Kill some sound, cause we are the champion. Tempo Immortal no ram fe murder some jump on in a sound clash tonight. Hey, it's Mr. Bart. It's Mr. Hey, it's Mr. Bartus. And no fast soul soundboy can ever try for disrespect and hurt us. Redout. Get them out. Tempo Immortal play. Couple shot them a spray. Murder some gay with AK. Ah, yes. Woo! The sound clash is going. Tempo Immortal play. You don't play it. Sounds so fine. Alyssa Temple played the place while some sound boys playing 45. No sound wants a sound clash, which started out good and end up bad. It's sad to be mad for just the temper mortal sound and
Yo, what the body
in a
is
scandal bad. Some sounds don't know what's wrong from right. You try this tempo immortal, surely you're gonna lose your life. Sound boys, some selectors should know, hey, what's wrong from right. But all they wanna do is give away them reckless life. Sound boy, it hurts cause you're dying, so you play your dumb plate and murder you. He that sound boy, me get for you understand you why your boss man a play number 2. Temper sound no bad friend. If I don't play to ready figure, kill some sound. Alyssa Temper played the place tonight and put some idiot sound boy underneath the ground. Some sounds don't know. Hey,
yo, what
what's
about
wrong
this?
from right? Try this tempo, show you that gonna lose your life. Sound boy, some selectors should know what's wrong from right. You try this tempo immortal, surely you're gonna lose your life. Sound boy, tempo mortal, murder, idiot sound. Tempo immortal rule, tempo.
Yo, what the body is this? Man, tell me nothing.
I can't explain just what is my being. What's come over me? Tempo mortal can sound, and I'm taking control. And I knew from the time we first met, he that sound was started to fret. And there was more to you. There were not of hellos and one not of goodbyes. And so glad that we met. In the trying to get too crazy over you, tempo. I give you some time, a little piece of mind to kill sound true and true. And like a seagull's ocean ride, I'm just holding on. Tempo mind to kill some soul. Tempo immortal, are the greatest, are the greatest. Tempo immortal, play the lightest, play the lightest. Giants tempo immortal light and his salvation. So shall Redout feel. He's the one who teach Soji and Reaper to play good selections. So shall tempo be afraid of. Jah is tempo immortal keeper. Oh, tempo immortal sound. Murder sound. Tempo immortal sound, yeah. It's Bertus. Tempo immortal is in the dancehall with their dub plates in their hands to kill your sound. Oh yes. Sound boys stumble at their own turntable.
Yo, what about this?
When tempo mortal starts to play, they cry. They cry, they cry, they cry. Redout reach out with one dub plate. Murder some soul. He's the champion. And I look across tempo immortal sound and tell them to play till the morning sun.
Out to Mr. Dirty, aka Mr. Bertos.
A tempo immortal sound, I murder you. With only one dub play. Oh wait, tempo immortal, no afraid fit dust you. And if it rains, we still a go flap you summer, winter time. Oh sound boy, oh yeah. And there's no sound boy to challenge me. Cause tempo immortal full up of quality. No nursery rhyme. The champion sound, no afraid if it dust you. And if it rains, we still a go flap you summer.
Tempo run dancehall.
Yeah! I say tempo on the war patch and watch a fan of little fool we not take none chat.
Pull up that
This is tempo, we don't take back talk. So pick up all of the time to girl them. Daily the man that guy with sound of a scatter. Tempo man, yeah man, a tempo people them. Run things, got tempo on the pep.
Yeah, man, the smile of death, man. Wickedness increase when tempo sound come cross, man. Eat the soldier. Tempo sound again for them kids, man. Eat the soldier.
Hey, DJ Redout. Boy, I got dead out. So watch now. This is I determined to present to the fullest. Spitting fucking rhymes like bullets.
Tempo killer sound boy, worries. Tempo sound. Funky ball, step grass. Oh yeah. Shame them. Tempo, I shame them. Lord of mercy. Worries in the dance, worries tonight. Tempo, pass the dub with them. Pass them over, sayonara.
Pull up that tune with it says.
If reality you want, let me hear you holler out tempo.
Yes. Out tempo.
All tempo massive check good.
Big up. All the tempo, man, them don't know. So you see them boy, but they say them are going like them a blood clot like. But alright, that's cool. Easy soldier.
I want this. Tempo.
DJ Redout, for me, that's a big respect, you know.
Redout. Soldier.
Pull up that
Redout. Yeah. Respect. Every time you see the tempo song, you know, some weird girls love every time. You know, cause we have everything bigger. It's a soldier, a roughneck selector for years.
DJ Redout, what are
Redout, pick up yourself and soldier. A boy dead in 9-1 vicinity. He's a Redout and soldier to the world. I'm about to kill them.
Yeah, man, I popcorn in the man. I know see the evilets. I'm gonna big up Jane and Finch. I don't know DJ Redout. And he posted this with them dead on.
Redout don't want himself in a soldier city sign up. I don't know so when we come out is dead and a Richard Steve not talk and we talk.
Well, this one called some guy go get a thunderball. He's no tempo, and enough of them are go fall because them a deal with John Popal. When it's a soldier, little you kick it away.
So one thing, tempo. Now all the girls will follow tempo. We have been on the tips and the legs to the respect is being right around the world. It's action first, oh.
Yeah. All of the tempo girl, them man skin out. Cause you know they in a good condition, man. Man, I'm mine on a 24/7. All Jane and Finch girl. Teach you a girl, man, at Toronto girl. Skin out, man, Cabra and run.
Respect. Now all tempo massive, big up the chest. I know tempo are the best and you can jump and sound can test. See? Now easy soldier.
Hear this? Well, this is original Batman sound tempo high power. And gunshot I go shower, I go run through house like in the river water. Well, soldier, no worry.
My God! This is no long track, cause this is tempo we get the girls them hot. Watch your steer, watch your petty, big up yourself and soldier and the whole link, man. This is tempo, man.
Something I tell you, man.
Intro
Tempo.
Tempo! I hear say when you fuck the girl, them getting a tempo, but here go. Watch this soldier, big up your old car walk. Long.
Yo! Tempo! A murder!
What's going to happen? Undertaker Bill McCoffin, right into Texas as the outlaw Terragancy. Tempo, killing by him triple all from a pestilence that rise up against saying I shall die like a spy. We got a man called Soldier.
Big things that go about you know, extra amount of things that bigger things this woman, extra amount of honor to all of the tempo people. Them man watch me now, Scarborough people, Gene and Finch, I am now Toronto, Cape Town, I'm gonna pet people, man. No soldier, big up yourself.
Drop, damn you!
Yo, what the baddest mix this? No man, tell me nothing.
For boy test, I'm bound to get some chest. Come down, man. Exit.
Oh, I want you to hear me. Some sound it have no bottom on the top. I want you to hear me. Some sound have no bottom, some sound have no top. I want you no tempo of all of that. We are in the dancer. Pushing some sound in a corner. End up in you.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? No man, tell me nothing.
Boy test, bound to get some chest. Come down, man. Exit.
Oh, I want you to hear me. Some sound it have no bottom on the top. I want you to hear me.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? No man, tell me nothing.
Some sound have no bottom, some sound have no top. I want you no tempo of all of that. We are in the dance hall, pushing some sound in a corner. end up in you. Yeah. And I don't know how I love tempo so. Yeah. Some of them come with record and we come with the play. Them sound have to go at them yard. Fan tempo them have to wait. End up in you. And I don't know how I love tempo so. I want you to hear me. Some sound in them no bottom man no top.
Tempo man, wicked sound man, Jesus peace man, lucky star man, a long time we want them Jeff man. Original wicked soldier man you want now. Original wicked sound that kill a man and come back alone man, chilla you Jesus peace man. Step up, come in the matter.
Now easy our friend. Respect and free. Tempo.
Yo, what about this mix? Come on, man, tell me nothing.
See skies of blue, red and yellow.
Tempo man, wicked sound man, Jesus peace man, lucky star man, a long time we want them Jeff man. Original wicked soldier man you want now. Original wicked sound that kill a man and come back alone man, chilla you Jesus peace man. Step up, come in the matter.
Now easy our friend. Respect and free. Tempo rule, yeah.
Eyes the one, Mr. Chimayo.
I see skies of blue, red and yellow too. Tempo for me and tempo for you. And I say to myself, what a wonderful sound. Oh yeah, alright. I see grass of green and flowers grow. I've been to Dancehall to taking tempo style the show. And I say to myself, what a wonderful sound. Yeah, so just let them try. Tonight is another little thing will die. Let them try, cause tempo sound is the king I fight. Let them try, but before you do, till the massive goodbye. Cause tempo is the king I fight.
Yeah man, a wee man, tempo man, bad Rasta talk. The only Steve Knight we mix up in a day. So you know when he mix up back in the night, a whole heap of blood clot mix up that year. Easy soldier, big up and a big up. Come in road boy, Steve Knight. Hurt them again, my youth. Respect.
Yo, what about this mix? Come on, tell me nothing.
No respect Banton. As we into the gear. With all respect, tell the people. Heard a sound boy by tonight. Well, heard tempo take a life tonight. You said your sound was good.
Them say singer before DJ, right?
Tempo.
Out to Mr. Steve
But
Knight.
now you find tempo true. He just kill your sound. Now you're much more than you'll ever know. Sound boys heard tempo as just take your life. And now that tempo kill you, we're gonna bury you. Jump and sound boy, better run.
For the little children to come unto me and forbid them not, because such is the kingdom of Mount Zion. Come in, Sister Marcia Griffiths. Come tell them about tempo now.
You're gonna die, die,
I feel like dancing.
For the little children to come unto me and forbid them not, because such is the kingdom of Mount Zion. Come in, Sister Marcia Griffiths. Come tell them about temper now.
You're gonna die, you sound boy.
Yo, what about this mix system? Man, tell me
You sound boy.
Hey.
I feel like dancing and I feel like just a sound boy now. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
All right, one for the ladies.
Tight kick girls and luscious girls and this. Watch out. All the pepper seed crew, but I'm not peppering any man's seed. I'm just proceed with the girl and breed. Yeah. No other than the
Yo, what about this mix system? Man, tell me now.
Rhythm truck for the girls and down the left of my inch. Where's the soldier and steal it? Oh, sweet, sweet tempo. I'm gonna for the tempo. You tell him, man. I hear you calling. So here I come, baby, to save you.
Oh, yes.
Oh. All tempo girls. Baby, no more stalling. Please answer better longing to touch you, baby. All tempo girls, you tell them, man. See now that you've come around, steal in my way. All tempo girls, you won't forget it, baby, and you should not forget it, baby. It's unbelievable when your body is calling for me. All tempo girls, see I can hear you calling.
Yo, what about this mix system? Man, tell me nothing.
For me, tight kick girls and luscious girls and this. Watch out. All the pepper seed crew, but I'm not peppering any man's seed. I'm just proceed with the girl and breed. Yeah. No other than the mighty singing melody and the sweet, sweet tempo. Rhythm truck for the girls. I'm going to left my inch. Where's the soldier and steal it? Oh, sweet, sweet tempo. I'm gonna for the tempo. You tell them, man. I hear you calling. So here I come, baby, to save you.
Oh, yes.
Oh. All tempo girls. Baby, no more stalling. Please answer better longing to touch you, baby. All tempo girls, you tell them, man. See now that you've come around, stealing my way. All tempo girls, you won't forget it, baby, and you should not forget it, baby. It's unbelievable when your body is calling for me. All tempo girls, see I can hear you calling for me. Your body is calling for me. Oh, your body is calling for me. All tempo girl, I hear you calling. So see I come, baby, to say.
Yo, what about this mix system? Man, tell me nothing.
Right. This is the original Canadian
Canadian sound, and when it comes to all Canadian, you know, so you have to pick up a chest, because this is the original Vim Marshall Tempo. Get in a fever and them thing them put son boy under pressure. Now you say so because we take care of them little idiot son boy, we are going and give them like a fall action, right? I mean, I have to call it, come on, sing it, come on, make it kill sound. Well, alright.
Rest in peace, Fuzzy Jones.
Now I'll tell you more. Tempo, you rule. Them some boy a fool. Yeah. Get it. I won't be neglected. I won't be denied the pleasure of that soundboard. The sorrow of his smile I think you take for granted. Always be here, and just because Temple love you, it doesn't mean it won't kill you again. It's been so long. Temple won't kill you. It's been so long. Temple won't kill you. Just a long memories of once upon a time, slowly creeping on we, and the lingers on the sound. Just let some boy come play you, then we show them how. Whenever I get close to you, you wanna run life in so long. I'm missing you.
Yo, the baddest mix this, the man that tell me nothing.
Sound a break now, poured in the farmer sound for the borderline sound test and die. Bad boy DJ taught me just on the tip back the farmer speech. Well, alright, little Steenie, back the big gun and shot the boy from a distance. Well, alright, soldier, me know say a long time gunman. Step up, little John with the war, the gun. Boy, hell I'm powder.
Yo, the baddest mix this, the man that tell me nothing.
Tempo they are with them gun. Tempo sound a break now, poured in the farmer sound for the borderline sound test and die. Bad boy DJ taught me just on the tip of the farmer speech. Well, alright, little Steenie, back the big gun and shot the boy from a distance. Kirk. Well, alright, soldier, me know say a long time gunman. Step up, little John with the what? The gun. Boy, hell I'm powder, some boom. Billy, bam, bim, billy, boom. Yeah, Tempo they are with them gun in a them man. Yes, them they are with them gun in the man. Yeah, they are with them gun in a them man. They are with them gun in the man. Yeah, you are. See them now, boom, one more dead. Gunshot we use and just lick off them head. See them now, boom, one more dead. Gunshot we use and just lick off them. Make them know we not easy. We have rheumatic and we will squeeze it. Make them know say we not easy. We have rheumatic and we will squeeze it. We did that with we gun in our hand. Tempo with them gun in the man. Yeah, they are with them gun in the man. They are with them gun in the man. Yeah. The race is not for the swift. The battle is not for the strong, but who can endure it for long?
All right, the victim presiding.
Vice of Miss Judy Moret.
Guilty. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury, some why you're guilty. Tempo, suspicion, intuition says you're guilty of a crime against my side.
All right, the victim presiding.
Guilty. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury, some why you're guilty. Tempo, suspicion, intuition says you're guilty of a crime against my sound. Hey, been around too long, you won't come test me. everybody. This is not an idiot sound. Jump and sound, you will come around. Tempo, you big. Them other sound, we spin them like gig. I've made up my mind every time.
Yo, what about this mix? This man tell me nothing.
Respect the Tempo crew. Soul G, Lucky Star, and Jeffrey Man. Sister Joy White on your case tonight. Big up. Soundboy dead.
Yo, what about this mix? This man tell me
I would have given your sound a chance, but you shouldn't stand for sound. You try to play all the dogs you have, but tempo will kill your jump and
Sister Joy White.
Sound boy, you know that your time is now. Tempo sound is the rough. Tempo sound is the champion sound. When it comes to sound clash people. When it comes to dusting a jump and sound.
Not the Tempo crew, man like Soji, Lucky Star, Jeff Man, Junior Melvin singing out. Saying,
Rest in peace, Mr. Mervin.
Tempo sound.
Yo, what about this mix? This man tell me nothing.
not the Tempo crew, man like Soji, Lucky Star, Jeff Man, Junior Melvin singing out. Saying,
Tempo sound. Cause you jump around. Tempo in the lawn. Oh yeah. Break the bed and special for the nation. Tempo in the lawn. Oh yeah. Pleasing the nation with their authentic selection from Genesis to Revelation. Yeah. I wonder what the next sound will do. All the sounds that are playing day by day, no one can stop us in any way. All the other sounds, catch them freight when tempo play. Tempo in the law.
Hear this. Big things, man. Junior Reed and Little John, man. Where you see Little John?
Yes, Mr. Reed, no respect. Massive, I want to know so well. This is not a special, this is a sample.
A sample.
This is program.
Yeah, program. This one is program. You understand me? So hear them style I know, man. Give us some red light, cause red light is danger. And a song boy in danger.
Yo, what about this mix? This man tell me nothing.
So worry them, I worry them, I worry them.
Yo, what about this mix? This man tell me nothing.
Big things, man. Junior Reed and Little John, man. Where you see Little John?
Yes, Mr. Reed, no respect. Massive, I want to know so well. This is not a special, this is a sample.
A sample.
An example.
Yeah, program. This one is program. You understand me? So hear them style I know, man. Give us some red light, cause red light is danger. And a song boy in danger. Which law? Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. So worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them all pan mine. You dibby be somewhere must be blind. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them all pan mine. Little John boy.
Well, I'm a love with the fool, well, treating at the fool. And she broke my heart and made me cry. Broke any rule and that's my true.
Confession, she can read my story. It's in the magazine. And then all of a sudden when she goes on, and she still wouldn't listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, she says she loves temper indeed. But I'm afraid till the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Come down to the field blonde. She come my temper cause she fit. She come my temper cause she fit.
Yo, what about this mix? This the man that tell me nothing.
Temper makes you smart. Smart. Well, in the morning as I ride, put on my trucks, I got it so fast. Gonna temper cause me fit. Fit. Walk on the road, me no trouble, no one, me no eat no stick, me no eat no Grandma grow me as a vegetarian. Music is my application. Going on the field, go dig some yam. Pick some gun, use it, make a shaman scoop in the come and get it for them. Start to the swing on, what a bam bam. Temper bigger, yes, and strong. That's our number one. For me, little John. Hear this stuff, yeah. It name, all over them tempo, all over them go take it. All over them tempo, all over them. Cause all them I want them, I know no problem. Don't flip back, this one we have got.
Yo, what about this mix? This the man that tell me nothing.
Hey, this is original Lee Riot tone singing, saying, and only few sound can play this one, yeah. Like the sound called tempo, saying, listen. Tempo got the
Yo, what about this mix? This the man that tell me nothing.
Hey, this is original Lee Riot tone singing, saying, and only few sound can play this one, yeah. Like the sound called tempo, saying, listen. Tempo got the angle sound, boy. You got the blade. Don't try to fight the tempo. You'll need first aid. Yes. When you wake up in the morning, bow down to tempo sound. When you come home in the evening, tempo will wear the crown. Tempo got the angle sound, boy. You've got the play. Don't try to fight the tempo. You'll need first aid. You're under tempo investigation, and don't forget it. You're under tempo observation, and don't forget it, sound boy. Tempo got the angle, sound boy. You've got the blade. Don't try to fight the tempo. You'll need first aid. Yes. When you wake up in the morning, you bow down to tempo sound. When you come home in the evening, tempo should wear the crown. Tempo got the angle, sound boy. You've got the blade. Bow down to tempo, sound boy. Or you need your aid.
No, let me go sound boy. I come go on like them a roughneck sound. Let them know say we are the original roughneck sound when I stop kill sound. Any pussy test or disrespect, we get this. And a bad boy is another one talk for tempo sound. Come back down with it, cow, and no time for you again. See? Easy banky. Oh yeah.
That's the one, Mr. Spanabana.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would be so empty. The nights would be so long. If you could hear when tempo sound keep playing, then a sound guy dying, and the sound guy understand. Their dreams are young and they don't know if there's a place for them to go. Hold them now, brush them now, cause I don't wanna live without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You want to know by now how much I love you. Only one thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing gonna change my love for tempo. You gonna get to know how much I love it. Only one thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than tempo. Oh yeah, certain sound guy won't come play with. Tempo gonna show them we are the champions.
Tempo bring for blessing the kings of kings, the lords of lords, the conqueror of tribe of Judah, all in top, God, all in God, rightful ruler. Rastafari. Blessing. Tempo. Hey, power. Blessing. Tempo. Pop. Yes. Tenor. Star. Uno. Here. Now we speak all the massive scene. I and the Canada crew. Get to big of yourself, man, every time. Leave me know.
Yo, what the fuck is this? Come on, tell me nothing.
Amazing sound shall always play in the dancehall. Oh, it was tempo. They won the victory. I'll never know just why I came to love tempo sound, but it looks beyond my thoughts and so
I wish not a bad boy sound tempo.
I shall forever lift mine eyes to tempo sound and give you the cross where my Jesus died for me. Oh, marvelous tempo, I love you so. You're the number one sound. No sound can show you down.
Yeah, this is the news. Three songs was played in the Canada Center. Two jump on Tempera Empire. Tempera is slip cross, getting with your big boat. Sliwa, chilla you, slip cross come sing for the girl them.
No easy, I can't do that massive, but I can't handle them. She's loving up very much. Eat our sighted crew. Yeah, hear it. As the night moves in.
Yeah, this is the news. Three songs was played in the Canada Center. Two jump on Tempera Empire. Tempera is slip cross, getting with your big boat. Sliwa, chilla you, slip cross come sing for the girl them.
No easy, I can't do that massive, but I can't handle them. You loving us very much. Eat our sighted crew. Yeah, hear it. As the night moves in, tempo killer someone. Yeah, and if you were here, then you'll know just what the massive ought to say. Oh, can't you understand it? Sung by, don't you know how much I care? It's just the way we planned it. It's a song by, if you believe in all your feelings, then you'll know that tempo sound is real.
I'll sit it away, girl, them. I'll Carbon Massive, Gin and Prince. Guys, them big up a chest.
Rest in peace, Fuzzy Jones.
Cause when it comes to Swati, oh God, man, the man play the max amount of tune. And me not talk about them like a idiot son boy, we come on and come talk about them a run cut. The only cut I know them run is the one in them job on. Them not gonna talk to us right now. And this is the preservative sound that let them have diarrhea when it comes to tune. Must think we are fool. Come up here, wonder.
Easy Fuzzy Jones, Scanner girl, rock out. Easy goes, little Chris. Funky, watch this. Oh, got to hold on. Tempo. Song guy. Don't waste your time.
Yo, what the body switch this? Come on, tell me
nothing. Hold on to tempo sound. You've got to hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Ooh, their first mistake was, and they want
much time. They wanna test them for morning, noon, and night. If they would have known then the dubs that tempo play, they might not have lost the time they complain about.
Original bad boy sound tempo.
Fighting life by the cause of tempo sound. Hold on to tempo sound. You've got to hold on to the sound.
Tempo. Biggest sound boy, yeah, man. Well, Soji, rough, don't know feed that boy. Seen? Soji, number one. Carla Marsha, big up. You know, so you're a flop for the biggest thing. Word. Are you ready? Are you ready? Tempo, are you ready? Oh, well. I give you the sun, the moon, the rain, the stars and the mountain. Tempo give you the world. And all that you wish for. And even though tempo kill our sound and we no care. Yes, we have no fear. We kill the idiot sound, throw them to the ground. Know the tempo sound and not come around. And I pray that you will be all I ever need forevermore. Yeah, ready or not. Ooh, yeah. Tempo give you.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? No man, tell me nothing.
Hey, hold on, we die. Please do. Tempo give you everything and more.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? No man, tell me nothing.
No, give me no trouble now. You are go get the Lord pan me double.
Vice will win Mr. Michael Prophet again. Let's go.
Big respect every time.
Give me no trouble now. You are go get the Lord pan me double. Don't give me no, give me no trouble now. You are go get the Lord pan me double. Inna the dance, this a sound ya a dance. And next sound don't the Simon. Inna the dance, this a sound ya a dance. Another sound don't the Simon. At the manager them call around. The owner them call Richman. The selector them call Wasky. And the DJ name Junior Fred. So you no, give me no trouble now. You are go get the Lord pan me double. You no, give me no trouble. You are go get the
Alright, listen to vocals. Listen vocals.
General. Alright, this is the theme martial tempo. And when we play all of the girls and the guys and the sound boy fall in a chance. And got lockjaw. Original theme martial sword with a select tune right and them thing there. Anytime you know suppose it was step and it turns table and wickedness. Now come in little cock, big respect. Every time.
No tempo we rule. Oh yeah.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? No man, tell me nothing.
Original bad boy sound tempo.
Turn away.
Guys, look at Kirk.
Oh yeah.
them know we are the king and five. Turn away, try to see, but you don't know. Some boy I can let you go, let you go away. Cause I don't wanna lose the sound. I don't wanna be the one who's broken hearted. Be the only sound of it. Cause I don't wanna lose the sound. Could you go one stop, what we've been started? Sound out, boy, you're gonna die. Hey, hey. You and I must make a pact. We must bring a sound flesh back. Well, there is sound flesh.
I wish you had a bad boy sound tempo.
I'll reach out to my hands to you, and I love faith, I know you do. Well, there is tempo, I'll be there, 'cause I don't wanna lose the sound. I don't wanna be the one who's broken hearted. Be the only sound
I wish you had a bad boy sound tempo.
This one dedicated to all you folk. I know some tempo come with it different. All massive, listen this. Come down, Linval.
Boyoy, boyoy, baby. Coming ragamuffin girl, coming ragamuffin girl, ragamuffin girl living in Scarborough. She rule up a Jane and Finch, and she likes the sound of temper. Ragamuffin girl, I like your style, boyoy, boyoy.
It is ragamuffin sound and we are ragamuffin sound. Ragamuffin sound and we are ragamuffin sound. Give me some boy come and run throw them down. Tell them that the tempo man come to run the town. And we are ragamuffin sound and we are ragamuffin sound. Cause big and we broad and we know say we larger. Tell them that the tempo man he rule and lay. And we are ragamuffin sound and we are ragamuffin sound.
Coming temper, hey, you have the ragamuffin sound, boyoy, boyoy. A ragamuffin girl in the area. A ragamuffin girl, I rock up the dancehall. A ragamuffin girl in the area. Coming temper sound, boyoy.
Yes, man, this is the original. Yeah.
Alright. Them say this is the first song ever cut on wax. I'm gonna play it on dub plate. This is the boys of the one, Larry Marshall.
Yes, man, this is the original Nanny Goat man, Larry Marshall. Coming down with tempo. Telling you death before the sun, man. You understand?
Yo, what about this mix? This the man that tell me nothing. Dirty.
Watch it, man. Say you're the roughest sound in the world, but I know tempo is gonna throw you down, sound boy, sound boy, sound boy. You better go wrong for old time people. You say was sweet and it goes up the running belly. Sound boy, see your belly.
Yo, what about this mix? This the man that tell me nothing.
Yeah, man. Long time we are talking about tempo, man. No bad boy pump the water. I'm from night with them some boy with us play a bag of gun tune like the whole of them have gun array over there. And you see one thing we do, we catch our special load and compress and put in the back up because we have the power to kill our sound boys. Anytime we drop a shot in our chamber and put it pancake in the guy down and get shot. See how you can boat? How are you come? Because we have the power to kill that little dibby sound boy.
Yo, what about this mix? This the man that tell me nothing.
This dance all tonight. A zinc pen sound enough to move away. Yeah. A zinc pen sound enough to move away. Yeah. 'Cause tempo no play. Tempo no play. In this dance all tonight.
A dippy dippy sound up to move away. Yeah. A dippy dippy sound up to move away. Yeah. Cause tempo no play.
Big up all massive man, see. Look at John Hang Tough, cause you know say your connection bring forth them style, man, see. Junior with sex speed, but big up all the tempo massive them, man. So what you don't worry yourself, don't worry yourself, your respect is concrete, see. Well, Lucky Star, big things for you, man, see. Dean, Lord, boy, die tonight.
Yo, what the baddest mix this time, man? Tell me nothing.
Listen, the sound of rock not talk no better than tempo sound. Sound of rock not talk no better than this sound. The sound of rock not talk no better than tempo sound. The sound of rock not talk no better than this sound. The sound is gonna die, one, die tonight, one. I fell in love with the tempo sound.
Yo, what the baddest mix this time, man?
Big
Tell
up
me
all
nothing.
massive man, see. Look at John Hang Tough, cause you know say your connection bring forth them style, man, see. Junior with set speed. Well, big up all the tempo massive them, man. So what you don't worry yourself, don't worry yourself, your respect is concrete, see. Well, Lucky Star, big things for you, man, see. Dean, Lord, boy, die tonight. A sound is gonna die tonight.
Originally bad boy.
This ain't no sound of rock, not talk no better than tempo sound. Sound of rock, not talk no better than this sound. No sound of rock, not talk no better than tempo sound. No sound of rock, not talk no better than this sound. A sound is gonna die, one, die tonight, one. I fell in love with the tempo sound, champion sound. Where all the Toronto girls have come shocking out. How? Me say no sound no rough, not tough, no better than tempo sound. No sound no rough, not tough, no better than this one. No sound no rough, not tough, no better than tempo sound. No sound no rough, not tough, no better than this one. If a sound clash, them a deal with them, they keep it to themselves away. Boy, poison. If a badness, them a deal with them, they keep it to themselves away. Boy, poison. Whoa, simpleton, yes we are no simpleton, no. Simpleton, yes we are no simpleton. Toronto massive, them are no simpleton. Come and tempo, watch the place jam. Is it so thick you are no simpleton? Lucky Star, no simpleton. Is it Mr. Dean, you are no simpleton. You win a decision. Is it little jam because you were number one. If I so clash them and deal with them, we keep it to them just away. Boy, poison.
Quiet, please. We are gathered here today to pay our last respect to 5 sounds who had died under tragic sound clash circumstances. There will be no floral tributes. Donation will be accepted in aid of rebuilding 5 new sounds. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. In God we put our trust.
Originally
Now
bad boy.
come
Sound
Johnny
tempo.
Osborne and the tempo choir come sing the last tune.
Yo, what the baddest mix this time, man? Tell me
Amen. Everybody sing. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Another infant soundboy is bound to bite the dust. Tempo kill him. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Another infant soundboy is bound to bite the dust. Everybody make me bury them, tempo, bury them. We are gonna bury them, tempo, bury them. And if I sing dance sound, we are gonna bury them. And if I idiot sound, we are gonna bury them. And if selector ain't no good, we are gonna bury them. And if them DJ no good, we are gonna bury them. And all them bass box no good, we are gonna bury them. And all them mid-range no good, we are gonna bury them. And if them top end no sweet, we are gonna bury them. We are gonna bury them. So the I go show them how the baby play. And a sound boy around. Sound boy, where you take them for back. Sound boy, where you take them for back. Sound boy, how will you take tempo for? Sound boy, how will you take tempo for? A sound boy hold his head and cry, cry. Because his sound has been shut down in dancehall, then die. I heard a sound boy cry, and the massive I say, ashes to ashes, and dust to dust, and another zinc band sound boy is bound to buy the dub.
Hey, tempo. Yes. I'm a shot got in the nozzle. 5. And what you gonna do with them? We gonna extend that timpan sound boy with them.
Bang! That feel like a talk of selector. Bang! That feel like a kitty show. Bang! 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 The box boys.
Step up by your candy. Fast! Yes.
Yes. Tempo sound of your rule. Then so yes, and your rule. Some boy you wasn't reckless like the and the other play them not say a thing. And now you reach at the dancer gate. Now you started to delay. And in the middle of the session, now you're some boy about to flop the down. And Captain Temperature is the play. Overall, oh. Captain Temperature is the play. Overall. Captain Temperature is the place overall. If you only know the blessing that tempo sound I'll bring, you will never stay away. Oh no, if you only see his turntable stack with rubber dub plates, you will come for the feast all right away. And now the gate is open wide, and tempo sound is playing inside. There is nothing you have to lose. Be much wise and step inside and listen to the words of tempo sound. And don't let Dr. Soundboy operate on you.
Well, I'm talking about the sound, I'm talking about the sound like tempo. I know the tempo with Soji is a wicked combination. But this dedicated to all foreigner. You come to Jamaica and drive on right hand side. Don't believe the well done is foreign. You could have to call Paul Recurring Service or something like that. Don't worry, your man,
Son boy over there, son. Your manager say if you play too much tune and come off go work earlier, man, and they want him pants, see? Son boy over there, son. Your manager say if you play too much tune and come off go work earlier, man, and they want him pants, see? All right. Dr. C. Yeah.
Well, we not lose. This is a game to play. Right or wrong, the tempo gonna play it his way. And if a sound boy made mistake, it's not so hard him gonna break. But tempo touches them and let them feel. So don't go tomorrow, tempo have a lot of sound to kill. And we gonna give a lot of self to play. And tempo gonna play it, no matter what they play. Tempo play something and it's so sweet. So sweet for we. I thought it wouldn't matter. And if we didn't play together, then I knew it was over. And son, boy, you think it was for the better.
Dr. C at the Jaro Studio.
Right, when them put all it all you. And we have to kill a little sound boy. But them gonna kill your sound tonight. And them gonna stand up all alone. And them gonna make it through his life.
Yes, sound boy. I want to know so where I come across. And this is a sample. This is not a special. I know so you come across with this.
Soji, on the intro alongside Mr. Donovan Champion.
Different. Donovan Champion. Hear this.
Round around the world. Oh yeah. Round the world. With the champion sound.
Remember them singer,
Soji, him alone now. The sound called tempo in the area. We should not touch my brethren, my
in the area. Along with champion, the singer, cause him are the danger. And then you hold me tight and you squeeze me right in the middle of the night. Nobody make a fuss, nobody make a fight. Cause sound by your mind you lose your eyesight. And then you round the world, baby girl. Round the world, baby girl. Round the world, yeah, yeah, yeah. Round the world, baby girl. The donkey walk, the donkey talk, the donkey eat with a knife and fork. The donkey walk, the donkey talk, the donkey eat with a knife and fork. The donkey want water. Na 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 na.
One more Donovan champion. Let's go.
Sweet and champion, no soft and na 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 na.
What was that?
Sweet and butter, you're the champion, no soft and sweet. Sweet and butter, you're the number one, no soft and be that same guy when you are trying. Can't you see this is simple I cry? When you are do, we say when you are talk. Can't you see we can cut you off singing? Be that same boy, or when you are try. Can't you see you are die? Tempo Wi-Fi, you know we are the champion. No sound can test me. Just take a close look into the Lord. Take you. Got the people moving on. And people sound boy try to test this sound. Play in selection. A sound must get laid down. Tempo sound. Always find a way in the darkest dawn. Yes, it's always fine. Tempo sound. Enough respect to all the tempo massive. Request to all nice and decent loving people love tempo sound, man. All Chicheria massive. Request concrete. Sing. Now this one is coming from the youth called Donovan Champions. Any song boy child plays one, end up on the funeral. Come youth! Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, come on tempo sound. Come on tempo sound. I'm in Paris with my face to the sound. Enough respect to all the tempo massive. Request to all nice and decent loving people love tempo sound, man. All Chicheria massive. Request concrete. Sing. Now this one is coming from the youth called Donovan Champions. Any song boy child plays one, end up on the funeral. Come youth! Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, come on tempo sound. Come on tempo sound. I'm in Paris with my face to the south. I'm quite sure I can knock you out. We are the gaga. In a this year dance, we are the gaga. Oh, tempo are the gaga. In a this year dance, we are the gaga. Oh, I don't mess with the east or the west. I got my problem to show your chest. We are the gaga. In a this year dance, we are the gaga. So divi sound bar, divi sound bar. He that sound bar. You better run out of this land, yeah. Got me say pocket sound bar. He that sound bar. Divi sound boy. Tempo rule the border. Why I? Or to the cemetery. We gonna take you to the cemetery. Why I?
to the cemetery. Tempo will take you to the cemetery. Then he eat a son, boy, I try to test away. But I mash them up, broke them up, I fling them out the sea to the cemetery.
Originally bad boy sound tempo.
It's the time now. Time for sound for dead. Tempo run things. Tempo run things. Now big up little Steve. One easy in a soldier. Got to fight, man. Got to fight. Whoa. Sound boy, you never will understand it, no. The way the dance all run. There is no hope, no chance, no loophole, no escape for idiot sound. Cause every time you lift your head above water and try to save yourself from drown, we've got a bag of the plates all worked out, designed to mash you down. Sound boy, you're putting up a resistance. Tempo gonna mash you down. Sound boy, you're putting up a resistance. We're gonna mash you down. Sound boy, stay home tonight. You should have spent more time with your family. Now look how you can lose your life. I know the pressure gonna make you holler. We gonna cuff you for you to follow. We gonna drape you up in all your shirt collar. And then stop at the plate in your mouth. Sound boy, putting up a resistance. Tempo gonna mash you down.
Grace on got temperamental, son of my son, a champion, son of the Uncle Frill. Father Soldier Big. Warrior King, kick off them fierce. Jigsy King's here big.
Jigsy King, big up yourself. Tempo matters a conquering sound, champion sound. This is Warrior King. Rhythm. No time to waste. Rastafari. You know? Yeah. Never go the wrong congregation. Why? Tempo immortal, a burn pagan. Tempo immortal. We never play what the jumpers play. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give it the guidance. Never play what those selectors play. Emperor Selassie, I ain't just an obey. But I told you words are pure substance. Never play what the jumpers play. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give it the guidance. Never play what the wicked sound play. Neither will I walk in the council all day. Tempo immortal play the guys, so the jumping sounds I'll be always burning. Selectors and the owners will be shown in the art.
Tempo sound, kick them now them stinking face. Tempo sound, tell me make it bad so whoa. Redout, kick tempo, soldier. Hey, I hold them like a money. Tempo of them soft like a porridge.
Yo, what about this? This man that turn me
I kick them in them face, send them out of space. Sooner or later, them fucking erase. So you can't take no praise without rain.
Yo, what about this? Man that turn me
Oh, them on the money. So you have them soft. Redout, you have them soft. Oh, Mama cool, mama calm, mama kusa. Redout, where them get you from, them just can't stop you. Cool, mama calm, mama kusa. Tempo, where them get you from, them can't control you. Murderation. Tempo sound charts for murderation. Redout chart for, hey, original Colonel Lady. Kick them in them dirty stinking face, kid Tempo, yeah, I'm a soldier, original. All Canadian massive, Jamaican massive, man, all Caribbean massive. Take it away! Whoa! Hey!
Yo, what about this? This man that turn
me original bad boy sound tempo.
You see the cemetery, a sound boy, I go down there. Them sound kill sound from Sunday to Sunday. And you see the cemetery, a sound boy,
Tempo immortal. Some may say soldier, some may say tempo kid, some may say Redout. Loose. Well, I know I say pick the original Rastaman and make it run. Tempo immortal. Well, soldier and tempo kid. Big up Redout. And then the boy this and the family dead out from about Baba they spread out. Alright, they make the time but them can't make the walk. They say them bad but they no bad talk next. Tempo immortal them no delay next start. If you ramp with soldier he make your corners dark again. They make the time but them can't make the walk. They say them bad but they no bad talk next. Tempo acting Redout no delay next start. If you ramp with soldier they make your tempo we make your cool it up love, take a king. Magazine tall till he pepe ben when the swatchy is so one. Tempo immortal. Some may say soldier, some may say tempo kid, some may say Redout. Loose. Well, I know I say pick the original Rastaman and make it run. Tempo immortal. Well, soldier and tempo kid. Big up Redout. And then the boy this them and the family dead out from about Baba they spread out. Alright, they make the time but them can't make the walk. They say them bad but they no bad talk next. Tempo immortal them no delay next start. If you ramp with soldier he make your corners dark again. They make the time but them can't make the walk. They say them bad but they no bad talk next. Tempo acting Redout no delay next start. If you ramp with soldier they make your tempo we make your cool it up love, take a king. Magazine tall till he pepe ben when the swatchy this you want your friend and kill from papa name Richard tempo up say now and them make anything this matter life Redout and no freak and no friend kid tempo I tell you all of them so far that's what you said ready to kill them up watch how we kill them up them star like giraffe bullet cut them like the weapon body cut in a two head a chop in a half sound send them a but none of them over that talk ready to kill them off tempo a kill them off them star like giraffe bullet cut them like the weapon body cut in a two head a chop in a half now they say them bad but none so tempo well a shot boy pick up so do not tell boy stick up we not take tough chat and me say drape nor this up any boy this tempo kid you know say that place split up me say madden over there so you have a date because Redout say when you run far back the gun far never know say your life would have done far tempo immortal ever done hunger so what you kill you all of them and sing this you will make them cool it up he laugh king magazine tall till he pepe ben the sword
deadly future trouble
Tap a long leng, tempo make a bad so happy kill them, bad man a best friend. Watch on a tempo. Some town impersonate your tempo, but them living in the tempo, never generation. Slick and make all the preparation. This OG, you not go, you could have bad man clothes, a bad man pose. This a tempo, you get a written a prose. All these lyrics was right and composed, and you this tempo. Man beat up, hoy boy, young kang me born and a China me live a tempo. Originate the karate business, and some town they go like them inquisitive. Pop off me black belt. A face get damage we can't blow them fuse. Get them confused. Burn up at them more. Step in our shoes. I wonder how tempo headline the news. Return of the Charlene Master. No sound I go leave in a plaster. Trouble tempo and the cause a disaster. This area kicking a new flavor. Who we favor with good behavior. Trouble tempo. Then call for your savior. You put a run a night in a public area. Say you no respect till and a range. And you be broke down the sign my danger. Tempo of them as a cutter like a razor. This is the
man. Who mind what you're doing? Jump and mind what you're saying. Shoot a trouble, them wrong. Two, the son no come tell them no buck up tempo. Had the son no come tell them no buck up tempo. Yeah, the son no come tell them no buck up tempo. Devils and no come tell him no buck up. Them buck up tempo with the rubbing nine and the Bible and the page turn pan Corinthian. And the idiot try to think me said them body a go map. And the idiot try to think me said them body a go talk too. They never hear about Genesis and they never hear about Exodus and they never hear about Leviticus. Say in the mighty judge the temper put him trust. But some of them bad mind and enough of them are perilous. Kick up your butt, kick up man a wally paddles. Them a come a last while a temper come first. That's all that too dangerous, we too serious. Them kiss the kitty get and then them minus the plus. Enough of them a get ashes to ashes dust.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? Some man tell me no.
When the bad devil no come tell him no buck up tempo. A devil no come tell him no buck up tempo.
Sound boy, on like a crab low sound boy, on no say tempo run dance out. How now come compete with the dance sound? When you see you lucky star, big up your chest, Murphy, Dan and Soldier, cause Mr. Naturalist D must come talk to them.
Killing sound boy, kill them with fun, come $1 million, kill $1 million, see? Play by deep man sounds called Tempo out to International. Along with our Nicodemus, my brother called Soldier.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? Some man tell me no.
He's a naturalist, you know you are the dad. He's a naturalist, you know you are the dad. Toronto City, so hear me say Tempo.
Sound boy, on like a crab low sound boy, on no say tempo run dance out. How now come compete with the dance sound? When you see you lucky star, big up your chest, Murphy, Dan and Soldier, cause Mr. Naturalist D must come talk to them.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? Some man tell me no.
Play by deep man sounds called Tempo out to International. Along with our Nicodemus, my brother called Soldier, the man called Smurfy Dad. Second Mr. Naturalist, you know you are the dad. He said Mr. Naturalist, you know you are the dad. Toronto City, so hear me say Tempo, come. Him have some come around sound, judge a man, him a go shoot them down. They say you can't take the plane, you have to take the train. Can't take the train because me have me little charmers to drive. I'll be standing in the corner, smoking sense, I mean I'm really having fun. Hear me now, in a me way, so me 357 Magnum. Cause if you test the tempo sound, 5 sound, guy, you ever get chewed down. Hear me now. Riding a town, we come for ride. 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 Me no come in and no caravan, my ass me sit down. Me ask me a ride pan him black and him brown. Me gun in a me holsters the drop on the ground. You want a gun down or you want a showdown? You take tempo sound is the roughest thing around. Him ride late at night and then I make that sound. Kingston, Jamaica. Say here me say Tempo come. Toronto City. Say here me say Tempo come. You know. Say Junior D must have the son, but me a the father. Cause him a the chicken and me a the rooster. You not like Tempo, boy go suck your mother. You just bathe your girl and drink the water. You know say Tempo Lord it's rule Canada. And second Nicodemus your big boat. Ya Kingston, Jamaica. Say hear me say Tempo come. Give it up, you know. Toronto City. Say hear me say Tempo come. Give it up. Them a 5 liquor song, you know, say 5 of them gonna get through down. Give me know. And Saturday the 14th of September, boy, me say me want you remember. You know, say Tempo Lord it's rule Canada. Along with Soji Selector and owner. And second Nicodemus for you a gangster predator.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? Some man tell me no.
Yeah man, 91 Pisces Dental. Respect to all the Tempo crew. All Canada crew don't know say, oh God Almighty is original 91 Pisces Dental man. Tiki and Dirt man. Easy Soldier and Little John Pine says original wickedness man.
Final tune. Let's go, Dirt man. Rest in peace.
I tell you,
TK.
come in Tiki. All in the Canadian night man. Easy. Tempo again man, pan them. Watch me now. You ramp come trouble the Tempo, and we never come trouble you. Oh, you hear me now? You ramp come trouble the Tempo, and we never did that trouble you. Watch me now. You have a roadster and kick up like a stallion. You know them dead before they reach the last furlong. Exit does in them a nuclear weapon. We have the stopper for the nuclear invasion. You have body gas in the badan, gone. The pace get and they run gone, the Clarendon. Stone love said it tougher than iron. We have the melting touches all for the plan. But in a city say and them run the nation. Somebody treat them then get the program wrong. Super did no matter in the competition. No matter tell me nothing, pack up your whole pan. But here you ramp become trouble tempo. I will never come trouble you. But hear me now, you ramp become trouble tempo. I will never did a trouble you. Watch me. Our name is Tempo, and we are the foundation. When I mean foundation, I'm being down to earth sound man. And please take this in deep consideration. Test me sound, why you in a moderation? Tear off your crown, no you can't tear off your pants. Use the lips and bust of your head in space of a second. If you go and see him, we are going to fling another one. If you never come type it, test your career in a way on. Right now we have for your little food, we are going to boy. Here and become trouble the tempo, and we never did a trouble you. What do you hear me, man? You and become trouble the tempo, and we never come trouble you.
Thanks for stopping by. Till next time. We go next time for all the 80s, 90s DJs. Penhead, Hammermouth, Dirt Smile,